Hello there, little kids. Welcome to my kitchen. I've got some fruits, some cake, some pastry, and everything inside. Let's sort it out together. Now look here, kids. First, I'm going to pick some macarons. Look here. We have two macarons. This one is green and this one is purple. Now, do you want to see some magic? Look closely. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, kids! We turned the macarons into same color balloons. There's something inside the balloons. Let's blow them together one by one. It's a green balloon. Oh, kids! The balloon blew up. And did you see? We've got some letters from inside. It's a D, and here we have a T. We got them from the balloons. C and D. Now we have a purple one. There's also something inside. Let's see it. Look, kids, we found some more letters. Here we have W. Here we have O. And here we have G. We found them from the balloon. Now, kids, I'm going to go for a tomato. Look here. It's a round tomato. It's red in color. Here we have a knife. Now it's time to cut the tomato into 2 pieces. Look here, kids. We've got 2 pieces of tomato, and we also found a shape. Can you guess the shape? It's a triangle. Great job! Kids, here we have a corn. You see? It's a yellow corn. Corns are really yummy. Do you like corns? Look here, kids. We've got something from inside the corn. There's something inside this mystery box. Let's open it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. What's this? It looks like 1. And this one looks like 7. We've got yellow numbers. Together they make 17. Do you love ice creams? Here we have an ice cream. Look, kids, it's a popsicle. It's blue, and here we have purple. Looks like a blueberry flavor. Wait, there's something inside the popsicle. We have number 8, and here we have number 2. Can you tell me which number they make together? Together they make 28. Look at this one, kids. It's a pumpkin. And you know, it's August. It's a pumpkin season. Orange pumpkin. Look here, kids. We've got 2 pieces of pumpkin. And there's something inside. What is it? It's an orange balloon. Let's blow it together. It's an orange balloon. Do you love banana? I have a banana for you. Look here, kids. We have a banana. It's a green banana. Now let's cut the banana into 2 pieces. Look, kids, we've got 2 pieces of bananas, and what's inside? It looks like a square. Kids, it's a square. Now, kids, I'm craving something sweet. Do you see a muffin in here? Here we have a muffin. Look, kids, it's a cute little muffin. Here we have yellow, and here we have pink. Do you know we can open it? Look, kids, we opened the muffin But there's something inside again. Some letters. It's an X. And here we have a P. P and X. Look kids, we've got so many letters and shapes here. Now I'm going to try something that is green. Do you see something green in here? Here we have a pineapple. Look kids, it's a green pineapple. Now I'm going to show you some magic. Look closely. 1, 2, 3. Oh look! We've turned the pineapple into a ball. Look kids! The ball is bouncing. And now the ball is rolling. It's rolling around. Now kids, it's my birthday. I want some cake. Here we have cake. It's a beautiful little cake. Now we're going to cut it into 4 pieces. 4 pieces. Let's do it together. Oh look! We cut the cake into 4 pieces, but we found something inside. These are balloons. So many balloons. We have pink balloon, we have red, we have yellow, and so many other balloons. Great job, little kids! We cut all the fruits, cakes, and pastries, and we found some letters and shape inside. See you next time!